Capture stunning moments with precision and clarity using the latest Canon cameras. The best Canon camera for photography combines advanced image processing, superior autofocus, and versatile lens options to help photographers produce professional quality shots across landscapes, portraits, and low-light environments. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Canon EOS R50 Photography Camera. The Canon EOS R50 photography camera stands out as a versatile and compact option designed for photographers and content creators who demand performance and portability. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel CMOS AppSend sensor and the powerful Digic-X processor, this camera delivers exceptional image quality with impressive sharpness and color accuracy. It supports up to 15 frames per second continuous shooting with the electronic shutter, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system enhances focusing precision, covering nearly the entire frame with 651 focus zones and intelligent subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles. Videographers will appreciate its ability to record oversampled 6K footage in uncropped 4K at up to 30 FPS and Full HD slow motion at up to 120 FPS. The vari-angle touchscreen and 2.36 million EVF make composing shots from any angle effortless. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, file transfers and remote shooting are seamless using the Canon Camera Connect app. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel Photography Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel Photography Camera is a reliable DSLR that blends simplicity with quality, making it an excellent choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Featuring a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and an advanced image processor, it captures crisp, vibrant images with remarkable detail. The dual-pixel CMOS AF ensures smooth and accurate autofocus during both photo and video shooting, while the eye detection AF helps keep portraits perfectly sharp. It offers an ISO range of 100 to 6400, expandable to 12800, allowing great performance even in low-light settings. The 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF provide stable subject tracking, making it easier to shoot moving objects. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity make sharing photos or transferring files quick and convenient, while the optical viewfinder with 95% coverage offers a traditional shooting experience. Capable of recording full HD 1080p videos, it also supports Canon's EOS utility webcam software. Number 3. Canon EOS R100 Photography Camera. The Canon EOS R100 photography camera is a compact and affordable entry into Canon's mirrorless R series, combining impressive image quality with effortless usability. It features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the Digic-8 image processor, ensuring detailed, vibrant photos and sharp 4K videos. Its lightweight and portable design make it perfect for travel, casual photography, or everyday shooting. Despite its small size, it offers advanced features such as dual-pixel CMOS AF with human face and eye detection, ensuring precise focus for portraits and moving subjects. With continuous shooting at up to 6.5 frames per second, it performs well in capturing action moments. The EOS R100 also supports multiple video formats including 4K at 24 frames per second, Full HD at 60 frames per second, and HD at 120 frames per second, making it suitable for creative videography. Its intuitive controls and compatibility with Canon's RF lenses provide flexibility and future upgrade potential. Designed for beginners yet capable enough for experienced photographers, the Canon EOS R100 is a balanced camera that offers high performance, compactness, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for those stepping into the mirrorless world. Number 4. Canon EOS T7 Photography Camera. The Canon EOS T7 photography camera is a dependable DSLR that combines user-friendly operation with powerful imaging features. It houses a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and a Digic 4 Plus image processor, delivering sharp, vibrant photos and full HD 1080p videos with impressive clarity. The camera's 9-point autofocus system ensures accurate focus across a variety of scenes, while Scene Intelligent Auto mode optimizes settings for perfect shots without hassle. It's paired with the versatile EFS 18 to 55mm f 3.5 to 5.6 IS2 lens, offering a useful zoom range for landscapes, portraits, and everyday photography. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity allow easy photo sharing and remote camera control using Canon's Camera Connect app. The bright 3.0-inch LCD monitor and optical viewfinder provide flexible framing options. Lightweight yet durable, the T7 is ideal for students, travelers, and hobbyists wanting DSLR performance in an easy-to-handle package.
Number 5. Canon EOS RP Photography Camera. The Canon EOS RP photography camera is a compact and full-featured mirrorless camera that brings full-frame performance into a lightweight body. Equipped with a 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic's 8-image processor, it delivers exceptional image quality with rich colors and dynamic range. The included RF 24-105mm lens provides outstanding versatility, covering wide-angle to telephoto perspectives with up to 5 stops of image stabilization for sharp handheld shots. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF system ensures fast, accurate focusing even in low light. The EOS RP also offers impressive video capabilities, recording 4K UHD at 24 FPS and Full HD at 60 FPS, making it ideal for both photography and videography. The vari-angle touchscreen allows easy framing from creative angles, while its compact build ensures portability for travel or everyday use. Additional features like Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with Canon's webcam utility make it easy to transfer images or stream with professional quality. The Canon EOS RP combines premium performance, intuitive controls, and advanced optics, making it one of the best mirrorless options for photographers seeking lightweight power and full-frame excellence. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.